Lego Kid 420 here. For the record, I have no idea. Like, listen, right here. If you hear that knock, that makes it sound like the diesel. And just for the record, I have no idea what makes it sound like that. All I did was just put the crankshaft at a 90-degree angle. Both of them at a 90-degree angle. As you can kind of see that if I go slower. But I have no idea what makes it like do that knock, but that's what makes it sound like a diesel. So yeah, if anybody out there has made one and they know what that knock is, then just let me know in the comments. Just tell me, because I'm really wondering what that is. Oh, and I had the top off, and it sounds like whenever I gas it, see how it's knocked, like it knocks like that whenever it's idling? Whenever I gas it, it goes away. So that really makes it sound like a true diesel. At a certain RPMs, it just goes away. You can kind of hear it. And it doesn't do it whenever I spin the flywheel the opposite way. See, it's like smooth idling. Sometimes it will knock. That sounds more like a diesel because it's like deep like that. I like it the other way though. So tell me which way that you would like it better in the comments also. Either deep or with the knock. Just let me know in the comments. And also, please try to let me know if anybody knows what that knock is, because I really want to know what that is. This is Lego Kid 420 signing off.